You know, so often we're looking for hairstyles, aren't we, that are for down hair almost. Watch this. I'm going to pull the hair through. So I've created four ponytails that I've covered with little pieces of hair. And then I just start pulling the sections from the very front. So I had a whole front area left and right left out. Then I just come in and start pulling this through each of these little bubbles that I've created with the ponytails. And this gives us a beautiful design coming all the way down the back of the head. As a little tip, I don't pull the hair that I'm pulling through in the same space each time. So I pull one side through, then the next side goes slightly under or over where I pulled the other one. On either side, I'm going to place some hair grips, which is a great foundation for adding flowers onto. Look at this hair. To complete the bridal look, here we go. For the full tutorial of this hairstyle, become a member today of my Access Long Hair Members Club and learn how to create this beautiful look.